Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 6 for CBSE board. Chapter number 7 Coordinate Geometry. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 7.2, question number 8. A minus 2 minus 2 and B 2 minus 4. Find coordinate of P such that AP is equal to 3 upon 7 AB. Find P lies on the line segment AB and P lies on the line segment AB. Okay. Solution. AP is equal to 3 upon 7 AB given, and therefore simplify this, transfer this 7 on the side. 7AP is equal to 3AB. 7AP is equal to AB is equal to what? AP plus 3 AP plus PB. So 7AP is equal to 3 AP plus PB, and therefore if you simplify this is equal to 3AP plus 3PB, and therefore transfer this AP on this 3AP on this side. Therefore 4AP is equal to 3PB, and therefore AP upon PB is equal to 3 upon 4. That means point P divides seg AB in the ratio 3:4. That means point P divides seg AB in the ratio 3:4. And now draw this figure A, B. Now this is point P, XY, and P divides seg AB in the ratio 3:4. Using section formula, Pxy is equal to 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 4. And for y coordinate, 3 into minus 4 plus 4 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 4. If you simplify this is equal to 6 minus 8 upon 7, comma, minus 12 upon 8, minus 12 minus 8 upon 7 gives you minus 2 upon 7, comma, minus 20 upon 7, and therefore the coordinate of point is minus 2 upon 7, comma, minus 20 upon 7. Okay. Question number 9. Find the coordinates of points which divide the line segment joining A minus 2, 2 and B 2, 8 in the 4 equal parts. Okay. Now if you draw figure, then you will get answer very easily, and therefore you draw figure. So this is a segment AB. A is equal to minus 2, 2, B is equal to 2, 8, and PQR, this 3 point divides this AB into 4 equal parts. So this is part 1, part 2, part 3, and this is equal to this, equal to this. Okay. Now as shown in the figure, Q is midpoint of AB. So this Q is midpoint of AB, and therefore by midpoint formula, Q is equal to XY is equal to minus 2 plus 2 upon 2, comma, 2 plus 8 upon 2, and therefore Q is equal to 0, 5. Then P is midpoint of AQ. So this Q, P is midpoint of AQ. So P is midpoint of AQ, and therefore PXY is equal to minus 2, 0 upon 2 and 2 plus 5 upon 2 is equal to minus 1, 7 upon 2. So this is a coordinate of what? Point P. Now R is midpoint of QB and therefore Rxy is equal to 0 plus 2 upon 2 comma 5 plus 8 upon 2 gives you 1 comma 13 upon 2, and therefore coordinates of point which divide line segment AB in 4 equal parts are -1 7 upon 2, 0 5 and 1 13 upon 2. Okay. Question number 10. Find the area of rhombus if its vertices are 3045 -14 -21 taken in order. Okay. Now here vertices of this rhombus is given. You can use two methods. So I use what formula method, means area of rhombus is equal to 1 upon 2 into d1 into d2. You can use area. Now this is a rhombus, and if this is a diagonal, then this diagonal divide this rhombus into two triangles, and you know how to find area of triangles if these three coordinates, three vertices are given. Okay, so you can use that method also, and you can use this method also. So solution: area of rhombus is equal to 1 upon 2 into d1 into d2, so that is equal to 1 upon 2 into AC into BD. So I find this in AC and this in BD. By distance formula, AC is equal to under root -1 -3 square plus 4 minus 0 square gives you under root 16 plus 16, and is equal to under root 32 is equal to 4 root 2, and BD is equal to -2 minus under root -2 minus 4 square plus -1 minus 5 square gives you 36 plus 36, and is equal to 6 root 2. Okay. Now area of rhombus is equal to 1 upon 2 into diagonal d1 into diagonal d2. So 4 into root 2 into 6 root 2. Simplify this. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2, and this 2 is cancelled with this 2, and therefore area of rhombus is equal to 4 into 6, that is 24 square units. Okay. Now you can use other method, that is area by area of triangle. Okay. Exercise 7.3. Question number 1. Find the area of triangle. So you know formula, I have already described this formula in lecture number 1. So you know formula. So points are 2 3 -1 0 2 -4. Solution: let A is equal to 2 3 x1 y1, B is equal to -1 0 x2 y2, and C is equal to 2 -4 x3 y3. So area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2. Here sequence is important. 1 upon 2 x1 into bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 into bracket y3 minus y1 plus into x3 into bracket x1 y1 minus y2. So remember this formula, this is very important. So area is equal to 1 upon 2, 2 into 0 plus 4 minus 1 into minus 4 minus 3 plus 2 into 3 minus 0 is equal to 1 upon 2. This into this is equal to 2 into 4 minus 1 into minus 7 plus 2 into 3 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 8 plus 7 in plus 6 gives you 21 upon 2, and therefore area of triangle is equal to 10.5 square units. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.